and I pretend I'm in control, just like the seasons. You're taking the time from me, but no, I don't.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button so you be part of the Like Love crew. Now, I'm going to show you all how to do these super easy, fluffy spring twist hair. This is temporary. Do not start your locks this way. But before I do that, I want to give you all a hair journey update. If you are just here for the spring twist, go ahead and head to this timestamp. But if you're interested in my lock journey, my hair journey, what's going on with me, this is a quick update. So yes, I did these temporary ones. I removed my micro locks last month, cut them out basically. And so I asked you all multiple times if you want me to do the micro 2-strand twist extensions permanently or my micro lock extensions that I do using the interlock method. And both times you all had chosen the micro lock extensions. So I am going to be doing the micro lock extensions for my permanent style. And another reason I chose to do it, besides you all telling me to, is because I'm building my brand, my business off of making and selling and installing these micro lock extensions. So for me to represent my brand, I need to install them on myself. Of course, give y'all a video on how you do it and all that. So I felt like if I was going to do the micro twist extensions, I'll be rocking somebody else's brand, and I need to be rocking my own brand. So this here is just a temporary style because I still did love the twist look. And so I want to go ahead and get it out of my system, rock these twists for like a month, and then I'm going to install my micro lock extensions. So make sure you subscribe for that. So let's go ahead and get into the spring twist tutorial. This is for beginners, super easy. They're imperfect. I love that they're imperfect because this is a truly beginner's hairstyle that you can do on yourself or on someone else for really cheap and also very, very easily. So let's get into it. All right, y'all, I want to start off by showing y'all how I section the hair for the size and for the length that I have. The company that I use, they give you 2 packs of these 3 bundles of hair. So this is 1 pack of hair. It comes with 3 bundles. They give you 2. And so what I do is take 1 bundle, and this is 1 full bundle. You get 3 per pack of hair, and they give you 2 packs of hair. So this is 1 strand out of the bundle. You get 7 strands per bundle. And I cut the hair in half. So that is 1 strand cut in half. That's how it will look. And what I do with that half is I split it into 2. That is how I got the size that I have. That is how I got the shoulder length. I also went and trimmed and shaped my hair so it's a little bit shorter. But that's what I did. And for me to install the hair, I did the 3-strand method where I take 1/3 of that section, cross it over, and then you will have 3 different strands to start your braid. So 1, 2, 3. That is how I braided my hair in. I'm gonna show y'all how I braid. All right, so we're gonna start off with a section. This section is pretty big, but I do suggest bigger sections so you won't have just a lot of hair. So I'd go ahead and split the 1 cut half. I'm gonna go ahead and take 1/3, create my 3 legs, and I'll show y'all how to braid from there. Let me just go ahead and remind you, I'm not a braider. This is totally for beginners because this hair is so fluffy and big and forgiving that you don't have to be perfect with your braiding for this hair. So again, this is for beginners, which I am a beginner. So what I'm going to do is take my 3 legs and I'm going to match 3 different parts with my natural hair. So you got 3 strands for the extensions. You want to have 3 strands with your natural hair, and you're going to match them together. That's how I braid. But by all means, use whatever braiding method that you want to use. I find that this is the best for this kind of hair because I tried another braiding method and it slipped out pretty easily. So in my opinion, this was the most secure. So you see I got my 3 sections for my natural hair. And I'm just going to match up the 3 sections with the actual synthetic hair. That's why you have 3 legs. And then I just start braiding. I start crossing the legs with each other. So I'm not a braider, y'all. I can't even explain how to really braid. I hope the visual helps. One thing I will say is when I get the 3 legs matched up, I'm going to press and hold that middle area right there and hold it as tight as I can while I'm crisscrossing all the other sections. So you see I hold it with my middle finger, I hold it with my pinky finger, I hold it with my knuckle, whatever, just to kind of keep that hair at the base of my root or at my root. If you don't do that, it will start to slide. So yeah, hopefully the visuals can help a lot with my explanation. Once I braid for about an inch, I go ahead and split the biggest leg into 2, and that is when I start to twist. So you see my hair is really short. It's really kinky. I didn't blow dry it or anything. This hair is so forgiving. You can have ugly parts. You can have big parts, 2 small parts. Your natural hair can be sticking out the hair. You don't have to blow dry your hair. You don't have to use jam. Like, honestly, whatever imperfections you have with your hair and your braiding technique, this hair will hide it. So very, very, very beginner friendly. I'm going to go ahead and show y'all another one soon. But you see it's not perfect at all. But I promise you the final result is still very cute. Again, I'm gonna go ahead and take a semi-big section. I must admit my sections in the front are way bigger than the sections in the back because this hair started getting way too big for me. So for future references, I will do it bigger in the back and smaller in the front. But it's all good. It still came out cute. So semi-big section. Don't have to be perfect. If you want to stand in the mirror for hours trying to make it perfect, do you, sis? I didn't care. I knew this hair was going to hide any issues, any imperfections. I did put a little jam on it. My jam was like melted. It really didn't do nothing at all. So next time I probably will do like a little leave-in and just for moisture. But yeah, go ahead and split the section, create 3 legs with your natural hair. And start braiding. Make sure you hold that middle section close to the root as much as you can, and that is it. Braid for about an inch, and then you can go ahead and split the middle leg into 2 and start twisting. That's it, y'all. So easy, so simple. Took me maybe 6 hours over 3 days because I was more focused on getting orders out. So I did this maybe 2 hours a day. And yeah, about 6 hours worth of doing hair. And I'm sure if I didn't do such small sections in the back, it would have been way quicker. But you know, this is a really good beginner style. Take your time. and learn, practice. You got it. All right, y'all, I'm all finished. I'm feeling cute. I'm playing around with it, trying to figure out my shape and how, I want to lay the hair. But real quick, I just want to show y'all the imperfections. Like, my edge is not slicked down. My roots are loose. My braids aren't tight. Like, my parts are ugly. Like, listen, this is beginner friendly. It will hide your imperfections. Like, you can see some of my natural hair is puffing out the hair. Girl, who cares? When it's all put together, it all looks good. Am I lying? Am I lying? Drop down in the comments if I'm lying. Tell me I'm wrong. Do this not look good, even with all the imperfections? So, just giving y'all a view of the parts and stuff. I was not in the mirror until I got to the front. So the back of my head is what it is. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting my hair. Now, I purposely waited to cut my hair until the very end, just because I wanted to cut more than just the straggly parts. And I wanted to see if they would start unraveling if I did that. They did not. So you can cut as high as you want to, and these twists will not unravel if you twist it tightly enough. So yeah, now I'm just building my shape. I was going to just worry about cutting the little straggly ends, but now I'm going to go ahead and just cut the shape that I want. And I cut a lot of ends off, so keep that in mind. You're going to be good. If you cut it into a bob shape, you're going to be good. I promise. All right, y'all, this is the final look. Make it yours, make it cute, just style it how you want. Definitely, I recommend this hair that I have 100%, and I will have it linked in the description box, of course. But I hope you all learned some things, and y'all have a good one. Thank you for watching.